Guys, I purchased this car set on Amazon. This is an Amazon exclusive actually. So I want to open it up, unbox it. You guys could take a look at it. And as you guys can see, the box has very nice presentation. We do have 3 different cars. We have the Sheriff, we have Tow Mater, and of course we have to have Lightning McQueen. You guys, this is made out of metal. You guys got the metal parts right there. This is Disney Pixar Cars, and it is for 3 and up. So let me go ahead, actually let me show you the back before I open it up. You guys could check out the back. The back looks pretty cool, I think. Okay, so let me flip it back around. Let's give it a quick open. And as you guys could see, we have the Sheriff, Lightning McQueen, and we have Mater. All right, so as you guys could see, it has kind of like a little puncture. So all we have to do, and it's kind of like a window, and it has a window to each one of the cars. So you could kind of like put the car where it's supposed to go, and you guys could see that this is the Sheriff right here. All right, so here, you guys, we do have the Sheriff, and I do like the details of it. And it definitely made out of metal, but it's also made out of plastic. Okay, the wheels, they do turn. So, you know, if your little guy or little girl likes playing with the cars, you could actually roll like just like that, okay? You guys can see that it does roll nice and easy like so. And like I said, I really do like the details in this one right here. My son's gonna love it. He loves police cars, so he is gonna love this right here. Okay, so let's start with the Tow Mater. We'll save the best for last. And you guys, look at the detail. You can see the detail in the eyes. I do like it. It's funny because he actually has like a hook back here, and it looks like it's made out of plastic because it could go ahead and bend just like so. And I do like it, you guys. Same thing. These have the double tires in the back, and then we have the single tires in the front. And again, you know, good quality, good material. You guys could see that we got this going on the side. And yeah, I really do like it. All right, you guys, we were saving the best for last. You guys, here we have it. We have Lightning McQueen. We can see the details. Again, has that metal shell that I like, and you guys could see it for yourself. Nice details. We also have the spinning tires, and these are the fat tires. They look like actual race tires. I like that. You guys, we got, oh man, my son is gonna love this. He's not gonna let go of it. So let me show you guys. It does roll, the wheels do roll, and that's cool that you could actually see them moving right there. So this is the Disney set exclusively sold on Amazon. I definitely recommend getting this car set if your little guy or girl is into cars.